What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. Now I'm on mobile, but if you're on desktop Instagram, this works very similar as well. You just have to figure through the steps just a little bit. Obviously, the first thing I'm going to do though is open up my Instagram app. And once my app is open, I'm going to hit my profile picture in the bottom right-hand corner. And then hit the three lines in the upper right-hand corner. And then hit the top tab there for the settings menu. And then from here, about 5 options down, you will see a tab for security. You're going to hit that, and then about 4 tabs down, you will see two-factor authentication. And then you're going to click on that, and it'll take you to this two-factor authentication screen. It'll explain to you what it is. And now you have 3 different options to do it through WhatsApp, authentication app, or a text message. Now, personally, I recommend text message so it could just send to your phone number and you could see what the code is. But if you want to download a different app or just have it through WhatsApp sending you the notification, I recommend just doing the phone number, but you could do whatever you want based on what security you want. But from here, it just send a little code to my phone number, and then I'm just going to enter in the code here, and then you'll be able to enable the two-factor authentication through that. Now, personally, I don't really need it for my account, so I'm not going to go through the steps, but it should be pretty self-explanatory from here. If you did have any questions, though, please leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, though, if you enjoyed this video and this was helpful for you, be sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.